Dad, can you give us a fifth tip on what to look for when buying a used dirt bike?
I can give you a fifth tip. Let's review though real quick. Number one, if it doesn't have a two-stroke engine,
Walk away.
if it doesn't have a Kickstarter,
Walk away.
if it doesn't have a carburetor,
Walk away.
if it doesn't have ODI full waffle glued-on grips.
Walk away.
All right, my fifth tip is I'm gonna grab my handy dandy pointer machine right here. If it does not have Circa handguards, the flag style, not full wraparound, just the flag style, walk away.